Hey guys, Ready Dog here, up at the house. I'm going to show you guys this is a light that I just got in from a brand. This is a brand new product by Tedmos. There's the company there, and this is a motion sensor ceiling light. It's rechargeable. They give you the charging cord, and these things last for days and days and days on a single charge. I've had some of these. In fact, I have some around the house, but I'm going to put these on a stairway. It's a very dark stairway, and I'm going to put this one up in this really dark stairway and show you. But here is the remote. Look at all the things that this does. It has a night motion sensor, it has a day motion sensor. You can set it for different times. I'm going to turn it on here and watch this. Look at how bright that is, and it has this fade function, so it can fade through all the different lights. See how it's doing that? It'll fade through all the different colors on this remote. But let me go get this put up and see here's some of the colors. I'm just going to go through some of them. And you can turn it down so it's not so bright. I don't want mine really bright. To see the colors, I mean, just really awesome. Every color of the rainbow here. Hard to tell in this. But look at there's a purple, there's kind of a yellow, a blue, another blue, kind of a magenta, and just every color you can think of. And you can even set custom colors over here with this remote, but I'm gonna turn it all the way down. And anyway, I'm gonna go put this up in this hallway, and we'll come back and show you how the motion works on it. I'll be back. You guys stay tuned, okay? This is a brand new product by Tedmos. Here we go. I shall return. There's the name right there. Okay, I've got it mounted. The light has turned off. Now I'm going to show you how effective this light is, this new Tedmos RGB light is. See how dark that hallway is, or that stairway? And watch what happens when I walk into the stairway area. Okay, ready? It's dark here. You see that? See how that lit up? And I've got it on the lowest illumination possible. And see that we put this gate up here to keep our dogs out from up here, because this is bedrooms, and we don't want our dogs up here scratching or going into the bedrooms. But look at that, how that works. Is that not cool? Look at that, very simple mount. You can go out the gate and see how it illuminates this entire stairway. So cool. That's great. And also does all these different colors. See all these different colors it does? Very neat light, easy to hook up, simple mount, just a quarter twist and screw, and that's it. Oh, it went off. There, now it came back on because it read my motion. Let me go back out of here. See how well it lights up that hallway? That is so good. So awesome. Let me see if it'll go off here. And you can see just how dark it is and how well this thing illuminates that area. It's incredible. There it goes. Okay, now I'm going to walk back in, and here it is. Boom. Look at that. That's perfect. Right when you get to the base of the stairs, it lights up. Neat product, guys. Really neat. That's what I think. Another good product by Tedmos. You guys have a good evening. See how it's lighting me up? A pretty good product. Y'all take care.